Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Hi Hubert, nice to see you here. Alright, okay, so hi Flora, Carol, nice to see you here. Right, and I have a Roger. Yes, 您好 Roger. Right, okay, so I think Fab 你好 Trinan 你好 Bradley Aiden. Well, nice to see all of you here again. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so yes, yesterday after the Fed had actually declared and actually have make adjustment for the Fed interest rate. Okay, so we are now at 1%. So I guess it will going to affect many of us in our daily life. Like example, your housing loan, your bank. Well, now is the good time to put your money in the bank. Am I right? Okay, because you have high interest rate. Okay. So anyway, now so dollar has actually have a very big fluctuation. Okay. So what we are going to do is that we are going to trade carefully. Okay, because today there will be some adjustment from the other currency to fight against, okay, so that they will not fight against the dollar, so that it will not have a lot of impact. Okay, all right. Sawadee krap om. All right, so yes, let's start with our analysis here. Okay, over here, let's have my MT4, please. Okay, good. And my MT4 is here, right? Nice. Good. Okay. Okay, so over here, what we are going to do here, okay, over here, AUDCAD, right? AUDCAD. So AUDCAD over here, as we can see, right? AUDCAD. Are we in the correct mind? Okay, right here. Okay, we are in the bear. After yesterday, okay, there's a very big retracement. Okay, as we can see in H1. Okay, right in the H1 where the interest rate, federal rate has actually declared, and it actually retraced up very harshly. Am I right? Okay, yes. Although it seems like wow, such a big one over here. However, okay, we are still in the bear. So today we still have a bear to trade. Okay, we are going to sell we are going to sell AUDCAD. So we have to check where is the resistance as well as where is the support. Okay, so I'm going to sell. Okay, I'm going to sell this AUDCAD. Okay, but please bear in mind. Okay, selling of this AUDCAD over here because of the spike from yesterday. Today it may take a little while. Okay, so just be very careful with this. Okay. All right. So by looking at this resistance over here, as you can see, it hits on the resistance over here. Correct. The support tested and then become the resistance. So no matter how harsh the spike is, it is still meeting up with the resistance where it is in the bear. That means the resistance is going to get very hard. Okay. So it's not easy to break. So in this case, what we are looking at is that the chances of retracing downward is back to the prevailing bear trend. Chances are very high. Today, now they are actually retracing backwards. Okay, to recover. Okay, right. No, so right now, what is it that recovering? The bear is going to recover from the spike. Okay, so over here, as we can see, there's a resistance level here. Previous resistance been tested, it will eventually become a support. Aqua line is above the white line is already a sign of support. Am I right? So right now, today in AUDCAD, if we are going to trade for selling, it's going to be a retracement trading. Okay, so there's plenty of retracement trading today. Okay, so just be very careful. Okay, what am I going to do is that by looking at H1, if I want to sell, I want to make sure it breaks the support here. Okay, by then the white line, the aqua should already cut the white line. Okay, so in this case, when aqua line cuts below the white line and candle form a new cycle, that means to say retest the resistance here, then it will come back to sell, then I will start selling. Okay, that's for Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD looking good. It's still looking good. Okay. So actually, I will say that we can put this into my watch list. Okay, Aussie CAD. All right. Yes, that's right. Okay, correct. Okay, so basically over here, okay, what we are going to see is that Aussie CAD right now is moving towards the support. Am I right? Okay, so if you can see, all right, if you can see in M5, okay, M5 is actually having a, can you see a lower resistance moving downwards? I'm moving down to a smaller time frame so that we can see, okay, the trend of the selling down. Okay, so that it will be so much better for us to determine, is it a strength to sell? Okay, for this chart here, looking at this is a strength to sell. Okay, all right. So I guess this is pretty good. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is that, okay, just to be patient, all we need to do is to be patient. Okay, just to be patient, to wait for it to break the support level. Okay, to break the support level, then after that forming a new resistance below, then we can start selling. Okay, so I guess that will be pretty good. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's come in again. Okay, Aussie CAD, that's for Aussie CAD, huh? Hi CK, 你好. Okay, so Aussie franc over here. All right, Aussie franc, let's take a look. Aussie franc, it actually the push. Okay, the push is going back to test on the bear zone. As you can see, it has been resisted over here in the bear zone. So currently, by looking at this, okay, this bear zone is pretty tough. Okay, it's pretty tough. So is it a good time to sell? But it's back into the transition. So right now, if we want to sell, make sure it goes out of the transition first. Okay, I wouldn't suggest a sell right now. Neither do I suggest a buy. Okay, this is no way for two. Okay, for both okay. So Aussie yen. Right, Aussie yen, as we can see, it is still in the bull as yesterday I was talking about it. Okay, so Aussie yen is still moving to the moon, so I'm going to give it some miss for selling. Okay, so yes, let's move again to Aussie Kiwi. Right, Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bull run. We have some retracement today, but retracement in the bull, so it doesn't, it doesn't really give a very strong signal. It doesn't give a very strong signal that it's going to sell. So, tentatively, should we sell? I guess probably not. Okay. I think better not. I think yeah. Okay. So just I guess probably I would just give it some miss. I think okay. Yeah, Roger say, yeah, maybe we can try our luck. I think better. No. I think it's not nice to try our luck in the investment market, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think no. No, I will prefer to wait. Okay, Aussie Kiwi, I prefer to wait for a little while. Okay, all right. So okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue back here. Okay, back here over on this Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar over here. We are in the bear, but yesterday the spike, okay, has pushed it out, but we are still in the bear. Okay, so can we sell? Same thing. Okay, we are actually meeting up with the resistance up here. Okay, you see there's a resistance level. Okay, over here. So this is the resistance level. As you can see, this resistance level, okay, hits on the purple line and it retraces downward. That means to say it's actually still respecting the resistance. Okay, still respecting the resistance movement. So I think it's still good to sell. However, same thing, support is also very near. Right now we are on the support. Okay, because of the previous resistance. Okay, No, sorry. This is not. It should be here. Okay, it should be here. Right, the support. So I will say that the Aussie dollar, we still have a good chance to continue the selling. Okay, we still have a good chance for the selling. However, now is the retracement time, right? You see, yesterday it was being pushed up, and then then it started to retrace now. Then today it started to retrace downwards. Okay, so in this case, for such situation, what am I going to do is that we do not know whether can it erase the gains here. Okay, so I shall wait first. Okay, today I shall wait first. You will realize there's a lot of dollar associated currency pair will have such situation because of the spike yesterday. Okay, all right. So for Aussie dollar, I'm going to monitor it, but I'm not going to trade. Okay, I'm going to stay away from this first. Okay, so how about Euro Aussie? Okay, Euro Aussie. Let's look. Euro Aussie. It has successfully retested the bull zone, and now we are back into the bull zone here. So in this bull zone, usually it is a zone that is very difficult to trade because there's a lot of turbulence out there. Okay, so when there's a lot of turbulence, so I guess I think this is not the right time. Excuse me. So there won't be a right time for us to trade. Sorry, give me a while. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, so by looking at Euro Aussie, okay, today I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, how about CAD? Let's take a look at EURCAD. Okay, EURCAD, well, I think pretty good because the spike did not really affect EURCAD. Okay, so over here, by looking at this EURCAD over here, we are still in the bear market. So we are in the bear market, we are looking out for selling. So when we are looking out for selling, let's look out for resistance. So it's very obvious that the resistance over here, okay, so one resistance is here, okay. So I would say, okay, as you can see, it hits on the resistance over here. As you can see, the resistance, okay, the resistance previously was here, okay. Then tested, did not break, and it came down until here, as you can see. Okay, a new resistance coming around, which form a lower resistance. Am I right? So it forms a lower resistance over here. That means to say there's a good chance of having a lower low. Okay, a lower low of this wave. That means to say the price may go and may break this support, which is about 30 pips or more. Okay, 30 pips or more. So yeah, so let's wait and let's see this support. Okay, so let's take a look. So it's very obvious that we are on the resistance right now. So it's actually going back to retest the resistance. If after retesting the resistance, if it's not breaking, then I guess this should be the time that it should be selling down. So we can pay attention to EURCAD. All right. So EURCAD over here, make sure, okay, please make sure it has a new cycle to sell or to test the resistance to form a V. Okay, then after that, we will start selling for EURCAD. I will see that the EURCAD, it won't be so fast, Okay, maybe second half of the day. So Euro Pound, as usual, I'm going to skip this Euro Pound. How about Euro Yen? Okay, Euro Yen, let's see. Euro Yen, now we are still on the move to the moon. Okay, but we are very near to the resistance. So buyers, okay, if you want to sell, buyers, if you want to buy, please make sure that you actually break the resistance and retest the resistance to form a buying signal. Then you buy. Okay, if not, the seller definitely have to skip this. Okay. All right. So how about Euro Kiwi? Euro Kiwi over here. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Wow, today looks like a Euro Kiwi. It came back to retest the resistance and become a support. So it actually breaks into the bull right now. Okay, Euro Kiwi. So I'm always looking for buying for Euro Kiwi. Buyers focus for the next few days, next few weeks. Okay, Euro Kiwi is going to buy. Okay, all right. So sellers stay away. Okay. All right. For Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar, we are still in the bear despite the spike here. Okay, and despite the push of the price, We are still in the bear market. However, today is it a good time for us to sell the euro dollar? I would say that tentatively this is not the right time yet. Okay, so I'm going to stay away. Okay, it's the same as like an Aussie dollar, so not much different. Okay, so when there's not much different, I would say that, well, it's better to stay away. Okay, all right. So yeah, let's go again to Pound Aussie. Right, Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, yes, like yesterday we mentioned, okay, that this Pound Aussie, we have actually coming back for a retesting after it tested the door to the bull, but it has not opened the door. It's coming back to retest. So very happily, I know yesterday Pound Aussie, many people hit your TP, grab your profits. Congratulations. So over here, we are coming very near to the bull zone. So selling is still possible, okay, but we have to check where is the, well, it's on the bull. So right now, resistance, okay, over here. Right, so right here, there's a resistance. So tentatively, from the current price to the bull zone, we have about 60 pips. So we have about 60. So I think it's still good. Okay, still good enough for us to sell. All right. So, however, how to trade with Pound Aussie? Okay, I will wait for it to retest the resistance area here to form a new cycle like this. Okay, like this, the new cycle like this, somewhere here. Okay, below the resistance level. Okay, within the resistance level, then I will start selling. Okay, so Pound Aussie, it is pretty good to keep it with us. Okay, in the watch list. All right. Okay, so next to go. Yeah, yesterday. My star buy. Star buy. Okay. All right, AUDCAD over here. Let's take a look at AUDCAD. AUDCAD, we are in the bear into the bull. So like I say again, this is going to be a retesting into the bull zone. All right. So in the bull zone, there's a lot of turbulence. So when there's a lot of turbulence, I would say that probably this is not the right time for us. Okay, this is not a good time for us to trade as well because we will face a lot of turbulence. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss as well. All right, so how about pound franc? Pound franc. All right, so pound franc. All right, come on in and now tested the bull zone. It went up. Okay, so today it's showing us there's a big retracement down here, erasing all the gains yesterday, and now we are having a chance to sell. Well, so is it a good time to sell when the trend looks so awkward? So is it a buy or is it a sell? Okay, I would say that it's still in the selling market, but it's tested the bull zone as a resistance for a while, but it has not break into the bull zone. So tentatively looking at this is a retesting. It is a retesting period. So by this retesting of this period, we have a very big space, 100 over pips to go. Okay, so I will be looking out for selling. So by looking out selling, I plot out my resistance here to tell me where to sell, my support to know where to exit a trade. From here, this is a support. As you can see, it stopped here, and now it's still trying very hard to break the support here. Okay, after it breaks the support with a new resistance below, then I will start selling. Okay, so yeah, this is how you're going to trade. Okay, so pound franc. Okay, this is the plan for that. Okay, all right. So next to go, pound yen. Right, pound yen. Okay, so pound yen over here. Yesterday I was saying that we need to monitor a little bit. Okay, and there will be a good chance to sell. Yes, the first half of the day there's a chance to sell. After that, it went up again. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, okay, looks like there's a chance to sell again. Okay, but then again, there's a good chance to sell into this area, provided it breaks the support. So we are having the same support level as of yesterday. Okay, so it must break the support. By looking at this, we are very near to breaking the support, am I right? Okay, as we can see. Okay, so in this case over here, I want to wait for a new cycle. Now I want I want a new cycle to retest the support, maybe like now, like this, okay, something like this. Then after that, when it tested the support, which will become a resistance, and it will not break, then it form a new cycle of green, red coming down. I have this whole stretch to trade. Okay, so that's for Pound Yen. Pound Yen, pay attention. Okay, Pound Yen, pay attention. It is still very potential. Okay, it's still very potential. Just that we need to monitor for a little while due to the spike. Okay, yesterday. Okay, so please be very patient. Okay, all right. Okay, so Pound Yen, I'm going to put this into my list. Same thing. All right, so monitor this Pound Yen. Okay, so Pound Yen. Okay. Next to go, Pound Kiwi. Pound Kiwi. Right, Pound Kiwi over here, we are very lucky that we can see that it's actually coming back into the retesting mode. Okay, we are here to retest it. Well, it's time to retest the support. So let's see. It's going to retest the support. And we are on the support. Okay, yes, that's right. Okay, we are on the support right now. So how are we going to trade this Pound Kiwi now? Okay, I would say that right now we are on the support. If we are going to short, we are going to sell this Pound Kiwi, we have to break the support level, okay, to show that it's actually coming back to sell, okay, for the retesting, in order for us to have a chance to sell. Okay, it's in the S1 position right now. Okay, so in the cycle, I will want to see that it breaks us. I want to see it break the support here. After that, I want to retest the support. Then eventually will become a resistance. After that, then we can start selling with a new cycle appear in front of us. Okay, all right. Pound Kiwi. Pound Kiwi. All right, Pound Kiwi. Okay, so tentatively, Pound Kiwi must break the support. Okay, we have to break the support. Pound Kiwi. Okay. Yep. Okay, next to go. Now, Pound Dollar. Pound Dollar. Okay, Pound Dollar. What do we have here? Pound Dollar. Is it a bear or is it a bull? Okay, right now, it is still in the bear market. Am I right? It is still in the bear. So in the bear market today, despite there's a push from the federal rates, but we are still back into the selling mode. We are still back in the selling mode. Okay, selling mode. So selling mode. Then where is the resistance that we're looking out for? The resistance actually came here. So probably we are looking out over here. Okay, over here. So over this part here. Okay, now this is a resistance. Yesterday we plotted out one resistance over here, correct? Okay, so yesterday from the resistance it came down. Okay, it went up and it breaks, but then now it came back to the resistance level, back to the same resistance level as of yesterday. Okay, so as we can see, support level same, no change. Okay, and oh no, sorry, there's a change. There's a change. It's over. It's upper. It's went. The support level went up. Okay, so right now let's check. So if I'm going to sell this Pound Dollar, okay, I want to make sure like now this is a retesting of the resistance. So retesting the resistance, we have about 70 pips. So with these 70 pips, okay, we are now testing to come back into the resisted area, which is here. Okay, so once it forms a new cycle with a green candle, red candle below the resistance area, I think this is a good chance to sell. Okay, there's a good chance to sell. If the candle opens below the white line, the trader's line, and it will go even more. Okay, so right now by looking at this, if you can see that in M5, this is where the previous resistance is. Okay, so this one must break back into the resistance area. Okay, then if retest the resistance not breaking, then we have a good chance to continue the selling back to the prevailing bear trend, which will actually start here, okay, over this whole area. Okay, it's going to be the whole area over here. Okay, so we have almost about 100 pips to go. Okay, all right. So of course, I would say that definitely it's 100 pips that now I enter a trend and I set a TP for 100 pips. All right, no, that's not. Things may change along the way. Okay, so just be very careful. Okay, so pound dollar, can I put this into my list? I will say yes, we can. Okay, yes, we can. Okay, so pound dollar, I'm gonna put this into my selling list. Right, so my watch list is over here. It's pound dollar. Okay, so over here next to go is the dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD now. Dollar CAD. Dollar weaken. And now coming back here. Okay, so dollar, now we are in the selling mode. Selling mode, look out for resistance. So over here, as you can see, selling at the resistance, a lower resistance. So lower resistance, okay. So over here, this part, okay, we are now on the support. Okay, we are now on the support here. So if we want to continue the selling, we can sell by breaking the support, but we have about 20 pips to go. So 20 pips, the profits that we can grab. Okay, but then again, this 20 pips good. Yes, it looks good, but make sure you have new cycle below the support area. Okay, below the support area, so that when you sell, it will be so much better. Okay. By looking at this, wow, I think it's going to be. I guess a dollar CAD can be a long way. Okay, so probably on the second half of the day. Okay, it very likely is going to be a second half of the day. Okay, so yeah, nevertheless, okay, I'm going to put this into my list first. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay. So how about dollar franc? Dollar franc. Okay, let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc is very obvious that we are heading the north to the moon. So buyers can take note. Okay, buyers, please take note of dollar franc. And now we are having a support already. So just take note of the support level. Okay, where this is the part. Okay, so how about the resistance? Well, so yeah, it's very clear. Okay, so now by looking at this, it's so clear that we want the price to break the support. Okay, but however, for dollar franc, if we want to sell, I would say no. If it's a support, can I sell? No, because it's in the bull trend. Okay, all right, that's quite clear. All right, so let's go dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. There's this morning a lot of people was actually speculating that the dollar yen going to fall today. All right, but well, I guess it will, but then again, we just need to say where is the support level. Where's the resistance level? Okay, then we start trading. Okay, so as you can see, dollar yen is still in the bull. So buyers, you can buy. Seller have to stay away. But buyers, when you buy, please make sure you see where is the resistance. Okay, you see where's the resistance first. Okay, please don't just buy for the sake of buying or for the sake of, oh, Eric says that can buy, I buy. Okay, please also stay vigilant. Okay, that there are some resistance nearby. Okay, if we don't, it may give a lot of problem. Okay, all right. So yes, that is for dollar yen, right? Okay, now what about Bitcoin? Okay, so Bitcoin over here, as we can see, we have successfully meeting up with 40, sorry, not 41, 40, correct? Yes. Okay, I think that's good. Okay. Well, congratulations, Roger and Riano, correct? Okay. All right. I think that is fantastic. Okay. Well done, huh, Aiden. Okay, so well, okay, so I think we have from 37 mark, we have already make up to about 40. So that's about 3,000. Correct? Okay. So yes, congratulations, 2,000 plus to 3,000. Okay. So I think that's pretty good. Congratulations, guys. So reset your mind and retrade again. Okay. All right. So that will be so much better. So we are still heading for 43. Okay, we're still heading for 43. So tentatively, by looking at this one, it's we have a good chance. We have a good chance because right now crypto is actually running quite strong. Okay, so as of like this morning, the US side, okay, and Europe side, there are more and more people. Okay, I mean more and more big corporations that's actually going into the crypto. Okay, so I guess this is the push, huh? All right. So anyway, okay, good luck to everyone. And for the Bitcoin, so by looking at Bitcoin right now, I won't go a buy now. Okay, I won't go a buy now until it breaks the 40,000 mark. Then I will look out for entry point to enter. Okay. All right. So yes, that is all for today. So let's see, what do we have? Okay, what do we have here? Okay. Well, we are going to sell Aussie CAD. We are going to sell EUROCAD. We are going to sell Pound Aussie, Pound Franc, Pound Yen. Pound Yen, please monitor. Okay. Pound Kiwi. All right. Pound Kiwi. And we also have Pound Dollar. Right. And we also have Dollar CAD. Okay. So yes, those that you need to wait, please wait. All right. Do not enter a trade right now. And then in the end, you may get caught in the trap. Okay. All right, so yes, that's all for me today, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I wish you good luck in your trading. People who are new to my channel, remember to smash the like button, subscribe, and also ring out the bell. For existing subscriber, tonight, okay, we have a Chinese version, a Mandarin version, okay, to discuss about trade. Okay, questions to ask. We are always welcome to come in. All right. Okay, Roger from KL. Roger from KL. Yes. 如果今天晚上你有空的话，就可以一起过来哈。Okay. So yes, Roger, if you are free tonight, you can pop over as well. Okay. All right. So whoever who wanted to have a clarification for your trading and also wanted to have a online consultation with me, right? Tonight. Okay. GMT +8 21:00 hour. Okay. I shall see you there. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck in your trading with bountiful of profits. See you again.